I'm Joseph Kamodo from Midascent Exhaust Systems, and I'm here to answer a question which actually is coming up so many times. And you people are asking, can a car run without a catalytic converter? I want to make it clear here. One, that Midascent supply and fit catalytic converters, new imported catalytic converters to the vehicles, because we have a problem in Kenya or in the world. Catalytic converters are being stolen or damaged or blocked, and therefore you realize that your vehicle has a problem. Now, to answer this question, I'll let you know that old vehicles didn't have a catalytic converter, the old models. But the new model vehicles for gases, they have catalytic converters. And for the diesel, they have what we call DPF. And yes, you cannot drive without a catalytic converter or a DPF, but you must understand what are the effects and what will happen for your vehicle. One, I will explain that the new model vehicles exhaust systems are connected to the computer through sensors, and therefore whatever happens to the exhaust, it will show a sign in your dashboard. And I want to say this, vehicles, the new model vehicles has what we call fuel ratio sensor. And that one is very, very important. It is connected to the catalytic converter. So when you drive your vehicle without a catalytic converter, the first thing that will happen, a check engine light will pop up in your dashboard. And immediately, you will see your vehicle performance changes, and it will start consuming more fuel than the normal.